Okay, wait. Don't push me. Jesus. I will... Just follow me. I will get you this. Come here. Wait. Wait, before you get in food. Why did you push me? Never do this again, okay? Or I push you back, and you will not like it. Alright. Yeah. Go ahead. They wouldn't eat this meat. No more would. Put it back. Put it back. Let me. Put it back. Not this meat. Not this. No. Yeah, no. No, this is, no. You don't like this one. No. Don't ask me about this. Oh, so you want to eat humans? What? Don't look at me. I do not eat this. No. I'm just... Oh. Don't look at me like this. I'm just putting it in there. Alright. Just putting it in there. Nothing more. For the police, you know. I do not... Don't look at me like this. I do not eat it. No, I don't. Are you not hungry anymore? Aren't you kidding me? Jesus Christ. I'm gonna eat a small cucumber now. 1, 2? No? Alright. Don't give me this look. Oh. You look like you saw a ghost. I told you already. The whole story. Okay? Okay. You wanna come with me now? Or you not trust me anymore? Ah, there we go. Come. What? You don't want to lay it down with me? There we go. Are you sure you don't want anything of this delicious cucumber? Are you sure? Sure. Alright. Then don't. Let me turn on some TV.